Well, good morning, everyone. David Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. And so today we are engineering a room, and we are engineering for wallpaper. So the paper for this room is a Bradbury and Bradbury. So the paper is this up here. It's from California. That is actually a border, and that's the paper. So the customer's putting the crown molding in, and then he's going to come down 16 inches, put a piece of decorative trim there, and then we're going to come down 80 inches, and then there'll be a 6-inch piece of trim that goes there. So we need to figure out how much paper goes on all this wall space. So looked at the instructions that they sent with the samples, so we can kind of, well, that's really weird. There we go. So the Persian ceiling is what he's getting. So that's sold by the single roll, 30-foot roll, 27 by 15 with a 6-inch repeat. And then he's getting the border, which is sold by the yard. So I just went around, measured every space that we had, and I converted everything to inches, so we knew how many inches it was. So for the border, the whole thing comes out to 82 inches divided by 3, and we get 31 yards is what he's going to need to order. And then for the exterior itself, we're figuring this because he's got 6-inch crown, 16-inch border, 1-inch trim. The wall space is 80 inches, and there's a 6-inch base. So we need 80 inches of wallpaper plus a 6-inch repeat, so 86 inches. The paper is 27 inches wide, and a single roll is 15 feet long, which 180 inches. We need 80. We're only going to get 2 rolls, 2 drops out of every roll. So now we come to figure out what the perimeter is, which is 884 wall space divided by 27 inches wide, gives us 33 drops, which is 16 point whatever, which is 17, and we're going to add 1 just in case there's an issue with the wallpaper, which means 18 drops. So he's going to need 31 yards of the border and 18 drops for us to do this install of this Bradbury. So that is how we came up with engineering on this one. If you got other questions on how to engineer your room and how much wallpaper, give us a call. Love to see how we can help you love the space you're in with wallpaper, painting, and cabinet refinishing. You guys have a great day, and God bless.